wanted to show you the Shoreview Amenity Center, but first take a look at this lakeside setup for a beach and kayak launching. There's some storage there for the kayaks. What a beautiful, peaceful view. And here you see the pool area that includes a spa and a resort-like pool, all on this beautiful lakeside setting. They have some beautiful models here, so I thought since I was out here, I'd stop and take a look at the Pinnacle. So let's go on inside and check it out. The Pinnacle is a 2,488 square foot home with 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, and this flex room is turned into a study with these lovely French doors. Across the hallway is the first secondary room with a nice bay window, trade ceiling, and of course it's en suite. Back out into the foyer, where we enter the common area that holds the gathering room, the spacious kitchen, and the dining area. Down this small hallway is the laundry room, a guest bath, and the secondary bedroom. This is really a sweet setup for, evidently, a girl. Now back out to the common area. And across to the primary bedroom. It has a nice little alcove entering. It's a nicely detailed owner suite, very spacious, with a deluxe bathroom, and walk-in shower. I haven't seen a closet done like this for a while. Plenty of space for his and hers. The zero corner sliders are very popular. When pulled back, it really allows the outside in. This lanai area is certainly adequate, big enough for a nice dining space and your summer kitchen. Your pool includes waterfall features and a spa, and the lake. This is lakefront living at its best. If you can't live on the beach, then this might be the best alternative. I decided to pop into the Stonewater. This home is a larger home with a 3-car garage. This Stonewater model, as shown, is just under 4,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. And this impressive foyer goes all the way to the ceiling of the 2nd floor. Love the detail work on the walls. And as you enter, just to your right is the first secondary bedroom with a detached bath that will serve as your guest bath. More detail as you enter the foyer. And proceeding into the common area that holds 2 dining areas, a more formal dining area, a casual dining space over there by the sliders, the kitchen, and the gathering room. We'll take a closer look at those in a minute. Over to the right is a lovely den that is enclosed with French doors. Really spacious gathering room for lots of family and company. And this kitchen has everything. A beverage bar station, an extra layer of cabinets added at the top. It's a gas community. The microwave and oven are built in. And there's a large pantry in the corner. And the dining space that's more casual, closer to the kitchen. This is your laundry room. A guest bath that is for this guest bedroom or for your guests that are over for dinner. There's a drop zone in this area too, right outside of the garage door. Let's go ahead and walk across to take a look at the primary bedroom. These walls are nicely detailed as well, with a mixture of tile and metal, it looks like. And the ceiling is really pretty. And that's a fabulous chandelier. You have a great large window looking out onto the lake. And you also have a door to the pool area. The dark engineered wood transitions to a tiled bathroom with a walk-in shower double vanity, water closet, and a large walk-in closet. Back out to the common area. This view gives you that view of the full spaciousness of this great room. Let's go on up to the second floor and check out the fourth bedroom. This loft space is nicely appointed with a wet bar. There's a huge storage space up here. And this loft has been turned into a game room. And that last secondary bedroom is up here with a pass-through entry, not really pass-through, but an entry from that bedroom into this bath. And this bath will also be used for the guests that are enjoying their games up on the second floor. Oh, and just take a look. This was the entry. That's very impressive. Now let's go downstairs and check out the outside. This exit from the family room to the outdoor space shows you this large lanai that has a pool bath option and can also be stubbed out for adding a summer kitchen. And this pool has a nice sun shelf and an infinity edge spa and looks out over this beautiful lake. I wanted to give you an update on how the lot allocation is going here in Shoreview. I talked with Mary yesterday, and she is the salesperson here. She told me that the next phase is going to open in the spring. They already have an interest list, but if you are interested in being part of this beautiful lakeshore community that's going to be so full of activity when Waterside Place is open, you just let me know and I'll keep you updated on any of the other communities that are opening in Waterside. And who knows, maybe it'll be just what you needed and just what you were looking for. So until the next time, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.